Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford F150 tailgate emblem. First, gather your tools, including a heat gun, some fishing line, and an adhesive remover. Next, thoroughly clean the tailgate surface where the emblem is located. This ensures a better bond for the new emblem. Finally, protect the surrounding paint with painter's tape to avoid any accidental scratches or damage during the removal process. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth replacement. Now, let's remove the old emblem. Start by gently heating the emblem with a heat gun for about 1 minute to soften the adhesive. Then, take a piece of fishing line and carefully saw it back and forth behind the emblem to cut through the softened glue. Once the adhesive is mostly cut, use a plastic trim tool to gently pry off the emblem. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratching your paint. Finally, use an adhesive remover to clean off any leftover residue. With the old emblem removed and the surface clean, it's time to install your new one. First, make sure the tailgate surface is completely dry and free of any dust or debris. Carefully align the new emblem with the existing indentations on the tailgate or use a template if provided. Once aligned, press the emblem firmly onto the surface for at least 30 seconds to ensure good adhesion. For best results, allow the adhesive to cure for 24 hours before washing your truck. After installing your new emblem, take a moment to double-check its adhesion and alignment from all angles. Ensure it's perfectly straight and securely attached. Then, give the entire tailgate area a quick clean to remove any fingerprints or smudges, leaving it looking pristine. If you're looking for ways to improve your financial future, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book, The Simple Path to Wealth, and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshed Ford F150 tailgate with its brand new, custom look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.